Hi everyone, this is StockJanitor. Today, we'll talk about Value Digger series, regards to market and stocks review. From now on, I'll break down Value Digger series into three sections. First is the market section. Second will be the IPO account I created. Third will be individual stocks that may bring us value. If you like the topics I talk about, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for the support. And I have a Discord channel that I share a lot of valuable information. You're always welcome to join. Add my Facebook and Wechat. If you have any questions, ask me anytime. I'll reply as soon as possible. Thank you. Let's talk about market first. After reviewing a lot of information and reports, my attitude towards the market is really pretty bullish, not really bullish. But however, by indicator, today will be an essential day to determining the trend. Let's look at the chart today. Recently, it's at the Dow new high. It looks a lot like the big dip at the earlier this year. If the indice overall doesn't stand strong here and it goes down, it might have a pretty impactful dip. But I don't know how depth would it be, 5% or 10%. But if this goes down, technically by chart, it does not look so good. But if it goes up these days, it should be in sync with my personal opinion. And my assumption is it might go 5 to 10% higher, so maybe 3,000. I assume, but you never know. You never know. This is by chart. But fundamentally, from my reviews, I feel like the market is bullish. But we'll see. You never know, right? But future market, after analyzing current factors, I feel like there will be a big dip between 2021 and 2023. I don't know how depth will it be and how it's going to be, but I feel like that it should be maybe after March or June of 2021. But you never know. You never know. This is a wild guess. Now let's talk about IPO account. This week I talked about AI, hydrofarmer, and Airbnb, and all these right here. I bought LAZR. It's not an IP. It's a recently IPO. It's not a new IPO. It already dropped, but I might start swinging trading on my other account. I actually did buy AI, but I don't know why the account sold AI yesterday, and I had no intention on selling. So I don't know why. I don't know why. And right now AI is at 120, and I don't plan to enter it at this price range. I bought around 100. Yeah, I don't know why I sold it. But anyways, move on to Hydrofarm and Airbnb. I want these two stocks in the portfolio, but the price is way too high. I'll wait a bit and see if I can get a chance to get in. But I'm a pass on Dash and PUBM. Next week, there's just acquisition companies and international and biotech or something, biopharmaceutical. And there's Wish. A lot of people like it. They look forward purchasing it, but I think I'm gonna pass on all of them. But I do plan on purchasing a SPAC. It's called CBAH. It's CBRE Acquisition Holdings, just for fun. I don't know what they're gonna do with it, but it's a shell company, of course. It's by CBRE, I assume, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. And as you can see, I deposited more money into the account. But yeah, I don't know why AI didn't well sold. I don't know why. My intention was to buy and hold it, but whatever's. Individual stocks. I mentioned this last week. Root Insurance. Fundamentals is just overwhelming. There's nothing to say about this. It's still a good buy at the moment. I think. Yeah, it's at 14 or 13 bucks right now. it should take time for the market to realize its value, I assume. But you never know. It might drop more. If it does drop more, I plan to add my position in my other accounts. Yeah. So individual stocks. Previously, I mentioned about these stocks in my previous videos. So MO, I got around 40. QS, yeah, 37, 38, yeah. Average cost, root is around 15-ish. I mentioned these stocks, I passed on to these. Work is because I feel like the return is too low for me. So I don't know. But I know work is a M&A, the profit is kind of guaranteed. So wildcards, these stocks might be undervalued. Let's talk about IBM. 3 years ago, it was at 160. 2 3 years ago, I forgot. 1 to 3 years ago, it's around 160, and then it dropped to around 120. And in additional to that, they acquired Red Hat. So what's Red Hat? They produce Linux, the operation system. I do believe IBM is kind of undervalued. Not only it's $40 cheaper than several years ago, so 160 was several years ago, and 120 right now. So you have like a, I don't know, 25% discount, and then they have Red Hat after the accurate M&A. So I don't know, with a high dividend, I kind of like IBM at the moment, and they produce some quantum computers. Hopefully, well, my vision for them is that they produce quantum computers at a massive level. So yeah. And Shift Technologies. This is an app that sells and buys cars secondhand, kind of like Carvana, but it's not. It's just an app. People come to you to buy it, but then there is a huge gap in market cap, and this is a low flow market cap. So, I mean, low market cap, low flow. I kind of like this kind of stock. It's a potential, upside is huge potentially. So you never know. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you like the topics I talk about, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for the support. And I have a Discord channel that I share a lot of valuable information. You're always welcome to join. Add my Facebook and Wechat. If you have any questions, ask me anytime. I'll reply as soon as possible. Thank you.